In this episode, we're going to show you some simple and easy maintenance tips for RV water heaters, and we're starting right now. Hi YouTube, and welcome back to another video. My name is Aaron with retailsrv.com. If this is your first time here, you should consider subscribing because we are dedicated to helping you with your RV. We provide you with RV accessory reviews, DIY projects, tips, tricks, and other creative stuff. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on anything. And with that out of the way, let's get started with today's topic.
The first step is to shut off the electricity to the RV. Disconnect the main breaker at the breaker box. Next, I close the valve to the onboard propane system. And finally, I turned off the water supply to the RV. Now it's time to clean the exhaust tube. For this, we are going to use a can of air and simply blow into the exhaust tube. Make sure to take extra care as some debris will come out the other side. And now it's time to remove the electrode assembly. Inspect the electrode for any rust or buildup. This can easily be removed by using steel wool or replacing as necessary. Check the burner tube for insect nests or other debris. Reinstall the assembly and the igniter wire. Inspect the thermal cutoff. Replace as needed. Open the safety valve located at the top of the tank and let the pressure equalize. Remove the drain plug with a 1 1/16 socket or open end wrench. I positioned a large plastic bin below the water heater to catch the debris and falling water. Wear some old clothes because when you pull out the anode, the water will come out fast at first and then likely include lime, scale, and other debris. Now that the tank is empty, it's time to get the fresh water hose and hook it up to the flushing wand. The flushing wand is designed to reach the back of the tank, and this narrow tube will increase the water pressure. Keep flushing until more calcified deposits and sediment come out. I like to jam it all the way in and block off the entire entrance a bit so that it fills the tank up, and then the power of the escaping water helps to flush things out. Now let's take a look at that sediment we collected at the bottom of the bin. Here is a close-up of the sediment in my hand. And more of what was in the water heater itself in the bottom of the bin. Suburban water heaters are the only water heaters that have anodes. If your anode has been in there a while or the camper used a lot, it probably shows signs of corrosion and look eaten away. Inspect and replace as needed. This chart should help. And after everything has been reinstalled, it's now time to go back in and turn the power, the propane, and the water back on. The final step is to go in, turn on the hot water taps, and let them run until they stop gurgling and run freely.
Lori and I would like to thank you for following along with us today, and if you know someone that would benefit from watching this video, go ahead and share this video with them. And if you haven't, head over to 3tailsrv.com where you will find more posts and projects over there. Until next time, remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we will see you on our next video.